Namaste, sir.
To each one of you. A very good morning to each one of you, and a very warm welcome to our resource person, Mr. Sandeep Gupta, and all the participants. So today is the third day of our 5-day lecture series, which we called it as Impact Lecture Series, moving from uncertainty to certainty. And we've witnessed 2 days of very interesting sessions where it was all experiential, where we talked about our strengths. Yesterday, we talked about how our strengths are much more than our weakness. It's only the way we have to see them. Then we talked about how we ourselves are at the epicenter. We are the most important, and while taking decision, we may take suggestions from others, but ultimately we have to be the most important one for our own selves. And then thirdly, looking at the bigger picture. So these are the key points for reaching your goals, moving towards your goals. And then we talked about we should think about what do we want, why, how. That's a pertinent questions we should think about, and accordingly we should give timelines to each one of them. We did wonderful exercises, and I'm really thankful to our resource person, Sandeep ji, for guiding us, in a very practical, pragmatic, experiential way. Thank you so much. So we all are looking forward to yet another motivating, a scintillating session from you. So the platform is all yours, Sandeep ji. Thank you so much.
Well, morning and thank you. Namaste, Ravinder. आपने तो बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी रख दी हम पे, right? With your big words. And well, even the students, 86, brilliant. Totally motivated. Okay, before I start today's session, uh, can I answer 2 questions which were raised yesterday very briefly? Do I have your permission?
Sure. The platform is all yours.
Okay, thank you. Kal,
You
I
are the
think,
captain of the ship now.
थैंक यू ओके कल राघव ने मुझसे डेस्टिनी और फ्री विल की बात करी थी राइट राघव इट वाज यू हाँ सो देन आई थॉट ओवर इट यू सी डेस्टिनी एंड फ्री विल आर द टू एंड्स ऑफ वन स्पेक्ट्रम मतलब एक फील्ड के 2 कोने हैं एक नदी के 2 कोने हैं एक तरफ डेस्टिनी है एक तरफ फ्री विल है बीच में आपका माइंडसेट है बीच में आपका वैल्यूज हैं परसेप्शंस हैं एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं अब जो शख्स उनको क्रॉस कर जाता है वो कहता है जी फ्री विल है मेरे पास और जो उनको क्रॉस नहीं कर पाता है वो कहता है जी ये डेस्टिनी है एंड दे आर जस्ट द टू साइड्स ऑफ द सेम कॉइन एंड यू हैव द पावर्स इनसाइड यू टू मूव फ्रॉम डेस्टिनी टू फ्री नंबर 2 there was a question by someone about meditation Now, there are 1000 types of meditation. जिस टाइम आप कोई खेल खेल रहे हैं, जिस टाइम आप एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं और सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं, you are absorbed in that work, वो भी एक तरह का meditation है. And जिस टाइम आप, now let's say you are in fine arts, you are dancing, or you are a sports person playing. When you get into the flow, that time you are not thinking of the result, you are just enjoying it. Similarly, in meditation, don't look at the result कि मुझे ये पाना है. Enjoy the process, enjoy the sensations, and keep moving forward. Believe me, एक के बाद एक चैप्टर खुद ब खुद खुलता चला जाएगा. आपको कोई एफर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. All you need is to enjoy the process and do meditation for the love of meditation, not to achieve anything.
Sandeep,
Okay.
I have a question here. Most of
Yeah.
the times I'm talking personally when I sit and try to meditate, obviously the mind wanders to so many places and I try to focus it back to the process of meditation and I think, am I doing it right? Is it what is called meditation? So it's more of, questioning yourself rather than enjoying the process.
what you are saying is right. We have been tutored to be perfect. We have been tutored to be right, like we discussed, right? And उसमें हजारों चीजें बीच में आती हैं. So my suggestion would be stop questioning yourself. Stop judging yourself. The biggest problem is we start judging ourselves. We don't assess. If you assess, तो क्या होगा? You'll say, okay, in January last year, मैं 20 दफे सोचती थी, am I doing right? आज एक साल बाद मैं सिर्फ 3 दफे सोचती हूँ. So you can see the progress or the distance traveled by you. That is assessing yourself. But
so
now,
the message I think I would like you to give is, it's not an overnight, like if we tell students, we can't think that, okay, 4 times, 5 times, or maybe a week or 10 days and we'll be perfect. No, it takes time. It's a very gradual process, because you have to actually streamline your thoughts in such a manner that you have a control and you are enjoying your peace within yourself. You're feeling it and you are enjoying it. So that
okay,
comes with practice, and I think it's not doesn't come overnight.
अगर overnight होता, I would have made a tons of money by saying gili gili appa, gili gili appa.
Yeah.
It's not overnight. And secondly, please don't judge yourself, assess yourself. पहले कहाँ खड़े थे, आज कहाँ खड़े हैं. उसमें आपको progress दिखेगी. Progress दिखेगी तो आप motivate होंगे. There'll be hope and you'll keep moving forward. And जहाँ judge करेंगे, वहाँ absolute terms आ जाएंगी. You'll feel dejected, demotivated, and depressed. And this principle applies to everything we do in life. Okay, these were 2 things I wanted to share. Today, I'll take you through a small presentation, add the slides ka quickly, and then we'll get down to hardcore exercise of starting the shaping of our life and moving from uncertainty to certainty. Okay, guys, before we do that, पहले दिन तो हमने क्या किया था? We did the singing bowl exercise, focusing on the sound. कल मैंने आपसे 5 senses कराई. आज just move yourself. कुर्सी में बैठे हो, थोड़ा सा हिल लो, थोड़ा stretch कर लो, थोड़े हाथ पैर हिला लो. ये मैं क्यों करा रहा हूं? ये इसलिए कराया मैंने जिससे आपकी attention comes back into your body and you can focus on what we are discussing. And when even during the session you find कि हाँ कुछ और thoughts आ रहे हैं, आप focus नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, you can just shake yourself, twinkle your toes, move your fingers, and believe me, your attention will come back to your body and you'll be more focused. Okay, here I go. I'll share my screen. Okay, मेरा पहला question आप लोगों से है. To move from uncertainty to certainty, क्या attitude अपने को चाहिए? What attitude is needed to move from uncertainty to certainty? Just put it in the chat box. Come on, guys. क्या attitude चाहिए? To give you a focus, optimism, distraction, initiate, start something, positive attitude, curiosity, positivity, firm, brilliant, positiveness, positivity. Come on, more. Fantastic. Fantastic. Having a vision, right? All of you are right. But मैं उसको थोड़ा package करता हूँ. And that is the attitude of a hero, not victim. Now, can you tell me the difference between a hero and a victim? Please, जिनका ये भाई कौन है, जरा अपने को उस पे कर लीजिए म्यूट.
Please mute your microphone. किसी का microphone on है?
Yeah. तो my question is, हीरो और विक्टिम में फर्क क्या होता है? हम सब लोग ये दोनों रोल्स खेलते हैं और खेले हैं हमने. कोई भी अनम्यूट करके बताना चाहेगा मेरे को, what is the difference between a hero and a victim?
Sandeep, there are answers in the chat box. Victim
Okay.
keeps complaining, whereas hero fights back.
Fantastic, brilliant. Okay. Hero thinks about how to overcome a situation. Fantastic. Victim just sits there waiting for a hope. Brilliant. Or, so first of all, let's give a big applaud for Vivek and who are the other people. The hero makes its way like water to overcome a bad situation. Yes. Oh, Marian, you are absolutely right. Ayush.
Yash Bhatt also wrote very right. Victim keeps complaining, hero fights and makes things
Yes.
right.
Brilliant, brilliant. I'm very impressed with all of you and very happy with all of you. For the simple reason, जो victim का mindset होता है, I cannot do it. It starts with that. Hero कहता है हाँ चलो आओ, let's do it. जो victim होता है वो excuses ढूंढता है. Hero action लेता है, result आता है. Victim past में रहता है. अरे पहले ये हुआ था तो फिर से ये हो जाएगा. Hero कहता है चलो, let's do it. And the most interesting part, the victim acts being busy, is busy being busy. समझे, वो हमेशा ये पोर्ट्रे करता है वो बहुत बिजी है, टाइम नहीं है उसके पास. बट द फैक्ट इज उसके पास टाइम ही टाइम होता है. और हीरो प्रोडक्टिव होता है एंड वो कभी पोर्ट्रे नहीं करता है कि टाइम नहीं है, वो टाइम निकाल लेता है. एंड द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज द विक्टिम टेक्स फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड, हीरो गिव्स टू द वर्ल्ड. आप सब लोग गूगल को मानते हैं हीरो है या विक्टिम है? गूगल गूगल तो हम सब लोग यूज करते हैं. बोथ हीरो. और बताओ हीरो है या विक्टिम है? हीरो. यस, गूगल इज अ हीरो. यू नो फॉर द व्हाई? गूगल ये नहीं कहता है कि मुझे इतना पैसा कमाना है. गूगल का जो भी स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लान बनता है हमेशा ये बनता है कि मैं सोसाइटी में वैल्यू एडिशन कैसे कर सकता हूं, मैं सोसाइटी को की जिंदगी और कन्वीनियंट कैसे बना सकता हूं. You see, that is the victim's thing. Google is constantly thinking and adding value to society. And since it's constantly thinking, adding value to society, society is rewarding. Because दुनिया में कोई भी चीज फ्री नहीं है. That's the law of nature. आप किसी को कोई चीज देते हैं, automatically nature आपको reward करती है through that person or some other way. And to become a hero, right? Let us see what is needed. There are two words, cooperation and collaboration. इन दोनों में बहुत ही हल्का सा डिफरेंस है. हम यूजुअली इंटरचेंजेबली उसको यूज करते हैं. Anyone would like to suggest कि what's the difference between cooperation and collaboration? Okay, मैं आपको एक हिंट देता हूं. Cooperation is like an advocate and a client, or a doctor and क्या कहते हैं आप, a patient, where both are thinking मुझे क्या मिलेगा. Collaboration is all about teamwork. हमारी टीम को क्या मिलेगा, right? Cooperation में it is always 1 + 1 is equal to 1. Collaboration में it is always 1 + 1 is equal to 11. Now take the case, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, आप अपनी बीमारी बताते हैं, डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन देता है, आप उसको पैसे देते हैं, and that's the end of it. Both of you cooperated with each other for a common result. Collaboration, आप एक टीम प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं. So what do? Everyone pools his or her strengths and वो strengths magnify हो जाती हैं, and you come up something which is larger than you. Am I right or wrong? Let me just put in the...
Sandeep, there's a very interesting question from Soumya.
Yes, I'm seeing that.
Rather statement that every cooperation is a collaboration, but every collaboration may not be cooperative.
Soumya, every cooperation is not collaboration, but collaboration carries cooperation within itself. Okay? Does it make sense to you?
Soumya, you can unmute yourself
Yes,
probably.
and talk to me.
Soumya Srivastav.
Yes, Pankaj Verma is saying boss and a leader, yeah, manager and a leader. Pankaj, it is slightly different from that. So let's focus on these two words and not get analogies, नहीं तो confusion हो जाएगा. दोनों में फर्क ये है is that cooperation stems from I. What will I get? Cooperation stems from what will we get? Cooperation is more of ego driven, selfishness driven. मेरे को क्या मिलेगा? मेरे को क्या फायदा है? And collaboration के अंदर it is more हमको क्या फायदा है? There's a larger canvas. I do agree, without cooperation you cannot collaborate, but the intent and the philosophy behind both are very different and they change. So in cooperation it is always about I, मुझे क्या मिलेगा, and in collaboration it is always about the team, हमको क्या मिलेगा. Families which only cooperate with each other usually disintegrate हो जाती हैं. Families which collaborate with each other, they always stay together. I raise this point because to succeed in life, to achieve in life, to be happy, to move from uncertainty to certainty, collaboration is a very big thing. It is the way of getting people into our fold, we helping them and they helping us. Because in life, singularly, single-handedly, आप कुछ achieve नहीं कर सकते हो. You can have all the potential, but you need the collaboration and support of other people to achieve and move ahead. Any comments? कोई कुछ comment करना चाहेगा इस पे? Okay, having understood the difference between cooperation and collaboration, now let's start moving towards action. आपको कोई भी चीज करनी है, आपको कोई चीज अचीव करनी है, आपको कोई चीज क्रिएट करनी है, आपके सामने दो चीजें आती हैं. एक एसेट बेस्ड अप्रोच, look at what you have got. एक deficit approach, look at what is missing. Which one would you choose? A or D? Put it in the chat box. A. Gunjan says A. Asset based. A. Depending on situation, A and D. A. Okay, fantastic. Very impressed with all of you. Congratulations. Even I would choose asset based. Or aap log bhi majority saying A. But can you tell me the reason why would you choose asset based approach? Why? आपने एक चॉइस अभी एग्जर्ट करी है, कुछ सोच के करी होगी. So what was the thought behind putting A? Come on, we are so many. We are 95. एक जना तो बोले 94 मेरे अलावा, so एक जना तो बोले. Come on.
Sandeep, there are responses in the
Yes.
chat box.
resourcefulness actually is important to choose. We need, okay, what more? Well, आप लोग जो कह रहे हैं, that is okay, I appreciate that, but let me get down to the human psycho part. Okay, a scientific finding. What you focus on magnifies. Okay, what you focus on magnifies. जिस टाइम आप परेशान होते हैं, दुखी होते हैं और उस दुख पे फोकस करते हैं, क्या होता है? वो दुख बढ़ता है, नहीं बढ़ता है? उसकी लेंथ बढ़ जाती है, उसका समय बढ़ जाता है, उसकी इंटेंसिटी बढ़ जाती है। और जब आप खुश होते हैं, उस पे फोकस करते हैं, तो खुशी बढ़ती है, नहीं बढ़ती है? जिस टाइम आप ये सोचते हैं कि आपके पास ये चीज नहीं है और उस पे फोकस करते हैं, समय निकल जाता है, राइट? वही सोचने में कि मेरे पास नहीं है। और जब आप ये सोचते हैं कि आपके पास क्या है, तो क्या आप आगे की तरफ नहीं चढ़ते हैं, चल देते हैं? सो द साइंटिफिक थिंग इज, ये किसी का आई थिंक ड्राइंग बोर्ड खुला हुआ है।
It's varied from person to person.
अच्छा, ये कह रहे हैं वेरिंग
Like,
फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन। ओके,
yes, sir. Like we normally listen, like the son of a rickshaw wala clears the JEE advanced exam even when a rich person cannot clear that. So he having full resourcefulness, but he is still not using that, and he is very less, but he can make a way how to use that and clear so big exam.
हाँ, वो
So,
आपने बात सही कही। वो इट्स
so
अ
I think the
क्वेश्चन ऑफ,
statement is a bit misleading actually. We never actually heard that he is from, we only heard from newspaper. We never actually heard from the child that he is a son of rickshaw wala or not.
ओके
Actually, I have studied one similar child.
ओके,
Studied with one similar child.
नवदीप एंड राघव, आप दोनों सही कह रहे हैं। सॉरी, इट वाज I messed up the names. Okay, sorry,
Pankaj sir.
पंकज। आप दोनों सही कह रहे हैं अपनी अपनी जगह। You see, that's the case of lack of giving importance, valuing what you have, what you don't have. It is lack of a clear vision in terms of the rich man's case, right? And it's a lack of commitment. And जो रिक्शा वाले की आपने बात करी, हाँ, उसके बच्चे का विजन क्लियर था, कमिटमेंट था, उसने मेहनत करी, राइट? एंड जो भी उसके पास था, he followed the asset based approach, उस पे फोकस किया एंड उस पे वो डेवलप करता चला गया, बिल्ड करता चला गया। So today we are going to work on the asset based approach, what we have, and what is the difference between both the approaches. अगर हम कंपेयर करें दोनों अप्रोचेस को, जो एसेट बेस्ड है वो स्ट्रेंथ्स आप जो अचीव कर चुके हैं उसको ड्राइव करती है, इट इज ड्रिवन बाय दैट। जो डेफिसिट अप्रोच है, आपकी जरूरतों से जो आपके पास नहीं है उससे ड्राइव होती है। एसेट्स में क्योंकि आप अचीव कर चुके हैं, आपके पास ऑलरेडी वो चीज है, सो ऑटोमेटिकली यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ टेकिंग इट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल। और डेफिसिट अप्रोच में आप सिर्फ उस प्रॉब्लम को उछल के रह जाते हैं। एसेट अप्रोच में आप इंटरनली सोचते हैं कि आप और क्या कर सकते हैं। डेफिसिट अप्रोच में आप ये सोचते हैं कि मैं बाहर से उस गड्ढे को कैसे भरूं। सेकेंडली, एसेट अप्रोच में you already know it's working, so there's hope, there's motivation, there's innovation, and you build on that, leading to exceptional results. Now, in the deficit approach, since you are focusing on what is missing, your brain, your mind is subjected to depression, burnout, and die-functioning. आप achieve कर लेंगे, but the results would be average. Okay, so this is the difference. दोनों approaches से आप achieve करते हैं, बट एक में ज्यादा मेहनत लगती है, बर्नआउट है, डिप्रेशन है, ठीक है, एवरेज रिजल्ट्स हैं, एंड दूसरे में होप है, मोटिवेशन है, इनोवेशन है, एक्सेप्शनल रिजल्ट्स हैं. And this process of working on what is already working and building on that is called appreciative inquiry. You are appreciating what is already working in your life. You are looking into it. You're inquiring into it. What is that thing which is working in my life? And what is the science behind it? मुझे ये बताओ, do you think in words or do you think in pictures? Put it in the chat
Picture,
box.
sir.
Pictures.
Pictures, right? So, therefore, words are meaningless. Now, let's take the case of a child. बच्चा पैदा होता है across languages, across ethnicities, across societies, अपनी माँ को पहचानता है, right? Because वो एक फिगर को देखता है जो जिसने उसको नर्चर किया, जिसने उसको सिक्योरिटी दी, जिसने उसको सेफ्टी दी, वो माँ को पहचानता है. But the mother is called differently in different languages. You see, so जो भी हम सोचते हैं, we think in terms of pictures. And जो pictures हमारे दिमाग में आती हैं, they decide our future, interaction and forward movement. जितनी ज्यादा हम पॉजिटिव पिक्चर देखते हैं, उतना ही हम उस तरफ चलते हैं, और जितना ही हम नेगेटिव पिक्चर देखते हैं, उतना ही हम दूर अपने गोल से दूर होते हैं. और जैसा भी हमने डिस्कस किया, what we focus on grows. So therefore, if you focus on positive pictures, right? Now they have to be realistic, they got to be achievable. They can't be Sheikh Chilli wali pictures, but the more you focus on positivity, positive pictures, उतनी ही positivity आपके अंदर आती है. And secondly, जो आप words use करते हैं, language use करते हैं, questions use करते हैं, that starts your transformation process, achievement process. For example, now let me give you an example. मैंने आपको एक काम दिया, right? And you're supposed to do it. अगर मैं आप मेरे पास आते हैं, मैं कहता हूं ये काम पूरा क्यों नहीं हुआ? Give me a reason. How would you react to it? दूसरा मैं कहता हूं, गुड, तुमने ये कर लिया, ये बताओ बैलेंस काम क्यों नहीं हुआ? How would you react to it? और तीसरा मैं कहता हूं, congratulations for completing this thing. How can I help you to complete the balance? How would you react? So तुम्हारा सबसे ज्यादा maximum positive reaction किस में होगा? Question 1, 2, 3. Tell me in the chat box. Brilliant. Question 3. Fantastic. फर्क क्या था तीनों questions में? It was only the choice of words. Am I right? Just the choice of words. It was the way of you putting it across. But आपने खुद अभी experience किया कि आपके reactionary pattern में कितना फर्क पड़ा. Because ये काम पूरा क्यों नहीं हुआ put you in a threat mode. ये good, तुमने ये काम पूरा किया, but tell me balance क्यों नहीं पूरा हो पाया? You were in a neutral zone. Great, तुमने ये काम पूरा कर लिया. Now tell me how can I help you to complete the balance? You were in the positive zone. How often are you careful of the words you use? Come on, let's be honest. How often are you careful of the words you use? Sometimes, always, never. Sometimes, okay? Sometimes, very often, sometimes. Depends on the other person, okay? Sometimes. Not really. Tanisha, I like it. Not really. She's being honest. Neha says, I prefer to be quiet. Quiet रहने से तो नेहा काम नहीं चलता. Kashi Arora, I appreciate you, applaud you. Really, you're being honest. All have been honest. The only thing is some have played it very safe. And remember this thing. What we ask ourselves or outsiders is what we find. And what we find is how we see our future. And the way you see your future, that is what you achieve. Okay, I'm repeating. What we ask is what we find. What you find is the way you'll see your future. And the way you'll see your future is the way you achieve. Now, the process which we are going to follow in the exercise today is called appreciative inquiry. इसके 4 हिस्से होते हैं. Discovery, that is positive core जिस पर अभी बात करता हूँ. आपकी वो क्षमता जो आपको कभी बाबा जी या नन बनने नहीं देती है. You see, it happens in all our lives. There are times when we feel सारी मुसीबतें हम पे हैं. No one loves us. We are total failures, total chaos. And we are so frustrated in life. Why does it happen only to me? I am the chosen one. You see, and अरे अब मैं तो जिंदगी छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ. मैं तो हिमालयाज में जाके सेटल हो जाऊंगा. मुझे दुनिया से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. मैं तो अब वृंदावन या हरिद्वार जा रही हूँ, वहां बस जाऊंगी. मुझे दुनिया से लेना देना नहीं है. कुछ और भी लोग होते हैं, अरे यार जिंदगी में क्या रखा है, लेट्स एंड आवर लाइफ. All of us go through these times, and all of us have gone. But none of us have given up our life. We have not gone to Hardwar or Vrindavan or Himalayas. We have bounced back. We are living life. We have achieved after that. So what is that thing which gave you life and did not allow you, right, to take that extreme step जो आप in that phase of depression या disillusionment चाह रहे थे? First is the discovery of that one thing which is your core strength. This is followed by dreaming what you want to be. Smart dreams. Without bothering क्या है क्या नहीं है. Then is the stage you create, you construct those dreams. आज जहां खड़े हो, कल कहां पहुंचोगे, कैसे पहुंचोगे? And lastly, the execution part. So we'll do this exercise. I'll quickly take you through the balance slides. जैसे मैंने अभी कहा, we live in 3 states. The extraordinary, when everything is going our way, तब तो कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है, there is no problem. Ordinary, कभी खुशी, कभी गम. Again, वहां भी ठीक है, हम टॉलरेंस विंडो के हिसाब से अपने को मैनेज कर लेते हैं. Then comes the tragic. जब हम chaotic state में हैं, chaos में हैं, या rigidity में हैं. The question is, what is that one thing which pulled us out of that state? Start thinking about it, because उसी के चारों तरफ we are going to build, the exercise is built now. The positive core is something that gives life, always works in your favor, does not allow you to die, makes you bounce back. So that is your positive core. And moving from uncertainty to certainty, what are the steps? Now, since we are talking of our professional and personal life, the future, the first step is have a vision, future reality. Where do I want to be? The second is the mission, present reality to the future reality. How do I reach there? And third is the values. How do I behave? How do I operate? What will drive me there? Values is the petrol for the car of mission, and the car of mission is what will take you to your vision. So all the three things are nested into each other. They are not independent. ये जो है, it's a strategic exercise, gives direction to your growth, will give direction to your growth. It works best with a collaborative mindset, and it fuels coherence and alignment of purpose, thoughts and actions, जो मैंने पहले दिन अपनी कहानी में आपको बताया था. Okay, and believe me, जितना आपका विजन क्लियर होगा, जितनी ज्यादा डिटेल में आप अपने विजन को ड्रीम कर पाएंगे, उतनी ही आसान आपकी जर्नी होगी, उतनी ही ठीक है. फोटोग्राफ ले लें स्लाइड की. जो विजन स्टेटमेंट है आपका, या जो विजन है, दैट शुड बी मोटिवेटिंग. इट शुड मोटिवेट यू. It should make you feel proud to be pursuing it. It should excite you to be a part of something which is larger than yourself. It should stretch your capabilities, and it should give shape and direction to your future. I'm sorry, मैं थोड़ा सा rush कर रहा हूँ अभी, because I want you to go through that exercise and do that exercise. And जैसे मैं 2-3 बार कह चुका हूँ, intangibles, that is what is inside us, drives our outside world. Outside world doesn't drive our inner world. And lastly, जो आपने form में पढ़ा होगा, we have the powers to align our strengths in such a way to make our weaknesses irrelevant. Now, this is a quote by Peter Drucker. He talks in terms of a system, and the human being is also a system. He talks in terms of a corporate, and a corporate is also a system, and we are also systems. Okay, with this, I'll stop the presentation. I've given you the base, and let us start working on creating our plan. Okay, guys, the first thing is positive quote. Kagas pencil lo and socho. I'm giving you 3 minutes to think. When you were in that state, everything is going wrong. Sab khatam ho raha hai. I'm the chosen one, right? Mere संग ये ऐसा क्यों होता है? And I'm giving up everything. I'm a total failure. What made you bounce back? What was that 1 or 2 internal strengths of yours which made you bounce back? सोचिए और कागज पे लिखिए. और जो शेयर करना चाहे वो चैट बॉक्स में शेयर कर लें. It could be never to give up attitude. It could be determination. It could be self-belief. It could be anything. It could be faith in God. It could be faith in a higher authority. So what is that one thing? 1, 2, 3 जो भी हैं, जो आपको कभी give up करने नहीं देती हैं. Even in situations, okay, parents were my biggest reason to bounce back. Hope, willpower, fantastic. What else? Mentality change. विवेक, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, बताओगे? मतलब आपका मतलब माइंडसेट चेंज से है? Changing your mindset? Sometimes you just have to see the other side of the coin. Brilliant. Okay, yes, okay, I understand what you're saying now. the enjoyment that will I get, okay, parents and faith in God, will to work more efficiently, self-belief, belief in God, my support system, my family, brilliant. I want to do something big in my life, brilliant. I believe in myself, fantastic. Chaliye, what now we have, you know what your positive core is. किसी भी सिचुएशन के अंदर क्या स्ट्रेंथ है आपकी जो आपको वहां से उठा के फ्यूचर में ले जाएगी और आपको वहां पर फंसे नहीं रहने देगी. Okay, now visualize what would you like. Say you are 70 years of age, 65, 70, you have lived your life. How would you like people to know you? Just close your eyes and imagine. Family होगी, क्या होगा, पैसा होगा, गाड़ी होगी, बंगला होगा, नहीं होगा. You know, just imagine that thing, which will give you peace. और तुम्हें लगेगा कि yes, you have lived your life well. You have achieved what you wanted to achieve in life. Just imagine that. और उसको नोट कर लो कि भाई 70 की एज में आई वुड लाइक टू बी सेटल्ड इन द हिल्स, एक बंगला होगा, गाड़ी होगी, ये होगा, घर मेरा ऐसा होगा, मेरी हेल्थ ऐसी होगी, मेरी फैमिली ऐसी होगी. You know, ultimately, what would you like to achieve? I would be a socialite, I would be in satsang, I would be helping people, I'll be a social worker, whatever you want to do. And once you have noted that thing, then start doing the reverse engineering process. जैसे बच्चा होता है, छोटा सा होता है, पहले करवट लेना सीखता है, फिर बैठता है, फिर चलता है, फिर स्कूल जाता है, ठीक है, फिर प्राइमरी स्कूल जाएगा, प्राइमरी स्कूल के बाद it will go to the high school, then college, then would study further, get a job or do business, create a family, keep moving ahead in society. You know, these are phases. So reverse engineering से to where you are standing, जो भी आपकी एज आज की तारीख में है, जिस भी एकेडमिक लेवल पे आप हैं, पीछे करते आओ कि ओके, at 50 क्या होगा, at 40 क्या होगा, at 30 क्या होगा, at 20 क्या होगा, at 25 क्या होगा. Just work it out and you will find. और जब आप लिखेंगे ना तो you will find कि more and more thoughts would come to you. And you have to connect, जो big picture मैंने कल बात करी थी. So you create that big picture of your life. Everything linked. For example, let's say I want to become an engineer. Then I want to do my PhD. Then I want to get work experience. Then move to a MNC. Then become the departmental head. Then become the CEO. And then give it up and establish my own business. Right? And retire at the age of 65, 70 and work for the society. Right? So एक हमने ये path बनाया अपना.
Govind, do you want to say something?
I'm not paying attention to the this thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. No problem. Govind, do you want to say something? You've written, sir.
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मतलब ना तो मतलब किसी ने गॉड को देखा, ना कोई गॉड से मिला है, और ना कोई जानता है कि गॉड है भी या नहीं है और गॉड क्या चीज है. फिर भी मतलब जो भी कंप्लेन होती है या जो भी होप होती है, हम गॉड से उम्मीद क्यों करते हैं?
Okay, Govind, this is slightly off the. We will digress, but those sentences.
Sandeep, we have another person, Ayush, who wants to answer this.
Okay, Ayush, आप आंसर करिए.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you
Yeah,
are.
Ayush.
Okay, so Govind, it's not like something which we have to prove is real or not. It is like a support system for us. For us, if it gives us internal means peace or something we can rely on, it makes us think that due to that things would be means go on perfectly in the future. Then it's okay to believe it. If you have any other faith in anything else, if you have a positive attitude by seeing someone or anything, that then it's fine. So it's not like we have to prove it is real or not and then we have to believe in it. If if it gives you positive thinking and means peace mind, then you can just use this method.
uh, it was Govind, right? Okay, now Govind, do, do you know we human beings are the microcosm of the macrocosm? Macrocosm means the entire creation, and this is ancient wisdom, and अब वो scientifically established भी हो रही है. And microcosm means a replica of that larger system, right? So the concept of God is very much in yourself. You can just take it as your higher intelligence, your higher wisdom, right? So whether you believe in God or not, but everyone believes in their higher self, right? So you can just take it, okay, my higher self, without getting into the debate, God hai ya nahi hai. Because here the question is that we got to make our life purposeful and meaningful, which is satisfying for us. This is all I would like to say at this moment, Govind. And like I said, if anyone has got anything, we can always discuss offline. And you
As
already have my
Hinduism
number.
said that there are 8.4 million life forms. We actually do reincarnation and have a human life, and we can merge into the Supreme Soul. So, is this all true? I mean,
Yeah, Gaurav, these are it was Raghav, right?
Raghav,
Raghav.
yeah.
Raghav, uh,
We are going into a deep discussion
we are
about spirituality, about
yeah.
presence of God, and about how many incarnations we have, about the entire cycle of life and death, and how do we get our eternal peace and moksha, I
So,
think.
liberation of the soul.
Liberation, yes.
uh,
That's, I think we can discuss it offline.
we can discuss it offline, or we could have a separate session on that.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Chalo, coming back to our thing, I'd asked you to create that vision for yourself, right? And using the reverse engineering thing, coming to the present state. Now, this is your dream. This is the way you want to take your life forward. Correct? Now, using your positive core, जो अभी आपने determine किया था, design the Ankita, can you please mute yourself? Now, using your positive core, जो अभी आपने identify किया, whatever it is, उसको use करते हुए, the next step is to design a way forward, an action plan, a way forward, right? And yesterday I had talked of an action plan, and I had said the action plan has to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. वो इसलिए जरूरी है कि if you don't have a smart action plan, आप अपना course change नहीं कर पाओगे and you'll waste a lot of time. If things are not working, right, then you got to have an alternate solution. And over here, flexibility comes in, adaptability comes in, जो मैंने आपको phases बताए थे. Now you see, Ankita, can you please mute yourself?
Request all of you to please mute yourself.
मैं mute all कर देता हूँ फिर. Okay. where is the mute all button?
ICT,
Can you
Rajkumar
please
ji,
do
can
the-
you mute all? Ayushi, Sangeeta, Shefali, Shivani, they are all not on
Okay.
mute.
Yeah,
I request all of you once again to kindly mute yourself. Probably someone is not sitting in front of the computer and has left the.
looks like. Anyway, let's move on. Yeah. So what I was. इसका एक second.
Rajkumar ji, can you please mute all for now?
Yeah, thank you, Rajkumar ji. Yeah, so this is I was telling you, you see, so the plan B comes in only when you are flexible and adaptable. So this is the way I was trying to build the entire thing, and I built the entire thing so that जैसे एक सीढ़ी चढ़ते हैं उस तरह से I take you forward. Okay, now, so the next step and a critical step is the designing part, the action plan. And remember, your action plan needs to be SMART. SMART means S for specific. Unless you are very specific क्या action लेना है, आप action नहीं ले पाएंगे, consistency नहीं आएगी, perseverance नहीं आएगी. Number 2, achievable. Sorry, measurable. If you don't know how to measure your actions, the results of your actions, आप plan B पे कभी नहीं जा पाएंगे. Achievable, realistic. They have got to be realistic. If someone makes an action plan ki okay, if someone makes an action plan ki okay, in 1 year's time I would jump 10 feet high. It's technically there's nothing wrong in it, but the fact is it achievable? Is it realistic? And lastly, time bound. मैं 10 फीट कूदने के लिए कितने दिन ट्रेन करूंगा अपने को, या सारी जिंदगी निकाल दूंगा? So it has to be time bound. And again I repeat, collaboration will take you forward. Number 1, you have to keep that thing while designing this plan. Number 2, flexibility and adaptability should be a part of this plan. And all these things put together will make you very clear that is coherent. And when you are coherent, focused, there'll be energy in you. And when there's energy in you, and everything put together with energy will make you stable. Stability has got nothing to do with success or failure. And once your action plan is determined, next is taking steps. Is the deployment. How will you deploy? और इसके अंदर एक हम लोग में आदत होती है कि we feel shy from seeking help, right? हम सब कुछ खुद करना चाहते हैं. No, don't feel shy from seeking help. Deployment की भी strategy बनाओ. मुझे ये आता है, नहीं आता है. अगर नहीं आता है तो मैं वो क्वालिटी अपने अंदर कैसे लाऊंगी? How will I, strengthen my armory to achieve what I want? Do I need a coach? Do I need an accountability partner? Do I need a friend? Or do I need to do a course? You see, so वो सब deployment का part बनेंगे. Okay, वो सब आपने action plan कर लिया. Now coming to deployment, yes, go around looking for the course. Go around looking for a, क्या कहते हैं आपका, coach. Go around learning, go to the libraries. और उसमें क्या अड़चने आ सकती हैं deployment में? They'll be handled handled over there. So I've given you, I know today's interaction has not been so interactive, but it was very essential for me to lay this ground and explain this thing to you, how you can design and what we will take forward in designing our professional and personal life. जो basis जो हमारा होगा, and we'll go a step deeper in that session. But before designing, you live in this world, the world is changing, right? We also got to understand ki how is the world changing? What are the new things coming in? Because if we are not adaptable to the new things, we will lose our relevance in society. So tomorrow we'll talk of the changing face of society and business, right? Or the changing face of business. How business is evolving, how business is changing. उसके संग education system भी change हो रहा है, उसके संग behavior pattern भी change हो रहा है. So with this, if you have any questions, I'll be more than welcome to answer your questions. I've given you, I won't say a stadium view, but something more than a stadium view. And this is all we could do in 1 hour's time. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me, to write to me, to connect with me. Dr. Kaur.
Thank you so much, Sandeep, for yet another very nice session, you know, a thought-provoking as well. It's very thought-provoking, and you gave the students, and even I was writing along with them, being one of the participants, being one of the students, like how to make how to design our plan, how do we want to see our life, our vision, our goal, our mission, and then how do we design it, how do we take steps about it, how do we have to be flexible, and the designing part has to be realistic, time bound, and you know, very practical things. And we should know at what point we have to pivot or preserve, like whether what we are doing, is it really taking us to a path of what we really need to be, where we really need to be, or is it not working at all for us and we really need to pivot at that point. So everything put together was very, very, you know, practical, and goes a long way in shaping our lifestyles, and with a positive attitude. And as you've been telling times and again, being very flexible, adaptable, having a positive mindset, looking at our positive attitudes, and counting on our blessings, counting on our strengths, rather than focusing more on our weaknesses, because that would take us to more of depression and negativity rather than helping us. And I think all these things are required for each one of us, not only students. We all go through challenges in our day-to-day lives pertaining to profession or personal lives. And these are the common things which keep coming. Although we know them, but we have to reaffirm, and we have to tell our system times and again, because we tend to overlook things many a times. So it was a very interesting session for me. And I'm sure students also must have enjoyed it.
I just got one comment. Sandeep sir, this was very well thought out. Well, K अपना नाम बताएंगे?
I'm Akhil Tiwari.
Akhil Tiwari. Okay. Right. Akhil, you know, this जो मैंने आप लोगों से अभी discuss किया, in the last week of November, I did the same thing, identical thing, with a company in Bombay over 2 days, you know, made them go through the entire process. And believe me, कल ही मेरे पास mail आई है, the entire energy of the organization has changed. There were 30 people. We were locked in a room for 2 days. So जो मैंने आपसे discuss किया है, अभी बताया है, अगर आप लोग इसको follow करते हैं, implement करते हैं, you will find that आप लोगों की जिंदगी में खुद ब खुद changes आने लगेंगे. And खुद ब खुद you will become more self-confident, खुद ब खुद you will be clearer of what you want, what you don't want. Baki, again, like I always say, the choice is yours.
But I would like students to come up with more of their feedbacks by unmuting themselves or by writing in the chat section. You know, it's very important when we organize such a session and the resource person is giving more than 100%. We really want to know what is transfusing in you. What are you thinking? What is your thought process?
Okay, Pankaj Verma says, seriously, don't remember when 1 hour was spent. Okay. So now Neha Kriplani says, we are going to have a real improvement through this session.
Great.
Okay.
We are okay with negative things also, that
Uh-huh.
it got, you know, every feedback is a reward point for us because it helps us to know more about you, to know more about the way you are perceiving things. Probably there could be a difference in our perspective and your perspective, and to hold future programs, we should be in resonance. So these feedback forms and these comments really help us go traverse that path where we can organize things which really would help you.
Om Aryan says the session was just phenomenal and directed our thinking to a positive side.
I
Okay.
want your voice to be a bit louder.
Pardon?
Pankaj Verma says he would appreciate if the volume is
Okay.
more. The voice
Okay, Pankaj, is it better
should be
now?
loud.
Let me get the mic close to my mouth. Okay. Uh, I was just reading out कि जो आप लोग comments दे रहे हैं. Yeah.
Anyone else would like to say?
I'd like to say something. This was like exceptionally well presented. I've sort of exposed myself to a lot of these sort of psychological improvement things to like look at the bright side, and like most of them given by like self-professed gurus are just gobbledygook. And this was genuinely helpful. I'm thankful from the bottom of my heart.
That's
Well,
again Kay speaking. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm
Okay.
Akhil.
Okay. Okay.
okay.
And sir, we will not mind if you increase the session half an hour by.
Actually, we on purpose we made it flexible. If you remember, we had this time from 12 to 2 and 12 to 1 was session, and it was left for open house discussions for the feedbacks and if you want to interact. He has been very kind. Sandeep has been very kind in sparing his valuable time. So it also depends upon the audience how much they want to take from the resource person, I suppose. That's why we are times and again telling you to be more interactive. Come out of your shells, come out of your cocoons. This is what Sandeep has been telling for last 3 days. Okay, Pankaj has a question for you. Are you an officer? Yes, he is an officer in by all means. What do you understand by an officer? What do you want to know by an officer?
Pankaj, this is what I was going to ask you. Officer of what, yaar?
So this is what even I am saying now. What do you actually want to ask when you say you are an officer? Pankaj, would you really elucidate that? Just elaborate. What do you think?
Oh, you
Okay.
seem like I had guessed so. A lot of people, you know, मेरी voice थोड़ी भारी है. You know, link me to army. No, Baba, I'm not from.
That's a very good compliment.
I'm not from the army. I had a, you know. Okay, now let me just share my story with you. Pardon? Yeah.
We have one person from joining from Kenya.
Oh, really? Yes.
Yes, from Tanzania.
Oh,
Tanzania.
Yes.
Sorry, Tanzania.
Yeah.
Sorry, Frednan.
Thank you. Today I access this session through my computer.
Okay.
The previous sessions I accessed it through my devices, but it wasn't configured well. But I have to thank you, Sandeep, for these resourceful materials. And today, specifically on the asset-based approach, and this is where resonates with today's life, and it really resonates with me. It tells me that happiness is the source of everything, and it all gives us energy to drive toward achieving whatever we want. I really appreciate the way you elaborate on the difference between cooperation and collaboration. And nowadays, the trend is on collaborations, not corporations. It's more on the teamwork. Even in the organizations, we found that they are now trying to come down to the flat system, not following the hierarchy, which is more relating to cooperation. So I really thank you and the organizer of this event. This is what I can say. Thank you.
Thank you
Well,
so much, Ferdinand. Thank you. And I'm really thankful to you that you are following all our programs of ISC. It's a real pleasure and a privilege, I would say, whenever I see your name in the attendees list, it gives me a very nice feeling. Thank you so much. It's so encouraging.
Thank you. And today, Sandeep said, you need to make sure whenever there is an opportunity, go grab a book, read, go access something that to learn, anything that it adds value to your life and others' life, go and take it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
well, I'm very happy and thank you very much for your kind words. And it's really gratifying and satisfying if I've been able to add some value to your thought process. So thank you very much. And now coming back to Pankaj's thing, very interesting, sir. Are you a colonel, retired colonel? यार फौज में भेजना था तो जनरल तो बना देते यार, कर्नल पे क्यों रिटायर कर दिया? Okay, I was sharing a story with you. When I was in the 10th, I was all set to get into the Air Force. And even today, when I go to an airfield, something happens to me. But then, since my vision was shaky, I had not created a vision, and nor did I practice the values. I landed up becoming a chartered accountant, not an Air Force officer, which I dreamt throughout my life. It's only recently that I have given up that dream, right? Otherwise, mujhe lagta tha my life is wasted. And these are certain things in my life, which made me look at life from a very positive angle, develop courses totally from the living life towards satisfaction and contentment angle rather than philosophical angle. So, and this is the reason you must have found that in the last 3 days, I've hardly used philosophy anywhere, unless a philosophical question has come. Because now I am going into the philosophical part for all of you guys, and a very simple philosophy. In the Indian thought process, in the Indian ethos, in the Indian mindset, Indian wisdom, there are 4 goals of life called Purusharth. Number 1 is satisfy your desires, because all of us are born with desires. Satisfy them. Now, to satisfy desires, you require money. You require wealth. So the second goal is creation of wealth. Create wealth. Now, what happens when wealth comes in? With wealth comes power, and the power goes to your head. And then you start depriving other people because of their power from their rights. And you become a selfish person. Your ego starts growing. So it does not happen. Comes the concept. The third one is dharma. Now, dharma does not mean religion over here. It means righteousness. What is right in that situation? Okay? And to pursue a righteous behavior comes liberation. What does liberation mean? Liberation means getting liberation from काम, that is lust, obsession, krodh, anger, moh, attachment, greed, and ego, the 5 evils of your mind.
The 5 vices. Yeah.
The 5 evils, the 5 vices of your mind. And once you do that, believe me, guys, you don't have to go to Hardwar or the Himalayas to achieve your higher self. Your higher self automatically unleashes and you become a saint. Remember one thing, since we are talking philosophy, now let me take you back. Our saints have never shunned life. They have participated in life fully. Be it Yoganand ji, be it Vivekanand, be it Kabir, be it Guru Nanak, and most of them were family members, family people.
Let me add it to you. It's the Grihasthashram.
It's the Grihasthashram, right? Right? So they have not shunned life. They have not run away from life. They have participated in life. And I would like all the people today to take a vow to participate in life fully. You see, and as a bonus, let me give you one more tip. There are 2 things in life. If you practice, you will develop a beautiful community around you. One is compassion. Compassion is more than empathy. Compassion is the desire to help the other person to be elevated from his or her pain. Okay? And the second thing is share your story freely. Share your story freely.
Head off your inhibitions.
No, for the simple reason when you share your stories, right, you connect at the human level, at the heart level. Otherwise, you connect at the mind level. And mind is duality. Am I right? Am I wrong? Will I get? Will I not get? मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, सही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सही कर रही हूँ, नहीं कर रही हूँ. Okay, so that is it. So guys, this was for me.
Wonderful session. Wonderful session. So we got the bonus. We talked about Purusharth, and very well said. We have desires. Complete your desires. Create wealth. But while creating wealth, you should be very well versed with righteousness. What you said is dharma. And what was the last thing? 4th, and then you have to shed away your 5 vices.
Liberation.
Liberation.
Liberation does not mean liberation from this world. Liberation means
From the 5 vices. Kam,
from the-
krodh, lobh, moh, ahankar.
अच्छा, मैं एक चीज रविंद्र जी एक और एड्रेस कर दूं. मैं कई कमेंट्स देख रहा हूं जो आ रहे हैं, करेक्ट, रिगार्डिंग द रिच पुअर डिवाइड, रिगार्डिंग उसके पास ये है, people are corrupt, people are selfish, you know, self-help somewhere is hijacked by obnoxious business people, we were wonderful, etc., etc. Guys, look, पांचों उंगलियां बराबर नहीं होती हैं. All the 5 fingers are not alike. Similarly, different people have got different tendencies. Those tendencies are determined by the admixture of sattva, that is purity, rajas, that's action, and tamas, that is darkness. And that creates their personality. And the human beings have got, while the world has got consciousness at a singular level, they are only aware of what's happening outside them. We human beings have got 2 datums of consciousness. One is we are aware of what's happening outside us, and the other is we are aware of our consciousness. We are aware of what we are thinking, right? And this is the thing which differentiates us from the other life form. So guys, if someone is on the lower level of consciousness, just thinking for himself, right, and not for the larger good, why do you allow your consciousness to go in that direction?
Very true. Very true.
You see, जितना तुम उसको allow करोगे उतना ही तुम्हें frustration होगा. वही deficit and asset approach की बात आ गई. Focus on what you have and build on it. You see, my father was a very senior government servant, but I don't mind being a rickshawala's son in case I can build my life and achieve what the person has achieved. As simple as this. So, okay,
Yes.
anything else?
Thank you so much once again,
Excuse me, sir.
Sandeep.
Excuse me, sir.
It's really heartening to see students also participating so much and appreciating you. That's a very genuine thing. And I even personal level, I am learning so much and I'm loving each, each of your tips which you're doing, which you're giving, and I'm actually trying to inculcate them in my day-to-day life. So thank you so much. And I thank all the participants who joined for your valuable time. And I am sure you must have learned so much, which would be very helpful in your life. Thank you so much once again, and looking forward to yet another interesting session tomorrow. Till then,
Take care.
stay,
Bye-bye. Namaste.
stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless you all. Thank
Ma'am,
you
is
so
that
much.
is the timing same?
Yeah, 12 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you
Actually,
so much.
this was our first class.
Okay, okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. मैम को शादी का जोड़ा चाहिए, सबसे अच्छा, सबसे खूबसूरत जोड़ा दिखाइए मैम को, प्लीज मैम। क्या? अरे भाई हमारे दूल्हे को भी इम्पोर्टेंस दो, उनके लिए कोई शेरवानी दिखा दो। श्योर सर, सर मैम का सेक्शन ऊपर है। अच्छा सर ऐसे करते हैं, जब तक ऐसे जोड़ा